Alright guys, Uncle Mike 392 and I'm out here at Huderberg Chevrolet. I'm filming this ZL1. And I'm going to show you the engine on this bad boy, guys. This thing got a supercharged engine in there. Look at this. Check that out. Go around and let you guys say it is a convertible. And he is going to start up, let you hear it in a few minutes. So a few seconds rather. Let me go around it one time, then I'm going to come back and let you guys hear what this bad boy sounds like with this big engine in it, okay? And this is what it is. ZL1. Okay, let me show you the inside of it. Got both speakers in there. It's real nice in there. It's Camaro. Some branding right here. Here, let me show you the inside. Show you this. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Camaro. Right. Okay, let me go back here and let him start it up. Wait. He's finna start it up for us right now. Big engine back here. Get a showroom cold stuff for you guys, man. All right, that's it, brother. Thank you. All right, this is Uncle Mike 392 and I'm out, guys. Thank you for watching. Late.